Okay guys, this is the last video that you actually have to watch while I'm gone. Okay, and this video is on being able to use our properties of logarithms to help us evaluate logarithms. And I don't know why, maybe it's because I'm a nerd, maybe it's because I love puzzles, maybe it's both. But I love these for some reason. So, and this is also like a common ACT style question. Okay, but it says use the properties of logarithms and the logarithms provided to evaluate each logarithm to the nearest hundredth. And I've already rounded. If you look, all of these are rounded to the nearest thousandth. So we're actually going to change, because Miss Rose is a ding-a-ling. We're going to change that to thousandth place because I wasn't thinking. Anyway, it's like, that doesn't matter. Let's look at this first one. Okay, now we have 12 and 9, and those are the numbers that we have to work on. So in some way, we need to write 81 in terms of 12 and 9. Well, I know that 81 is just 9 times 9. So now we have log base 8 of 9 times 9. Well, guess what we can do? We can expand that, right? I can go log base 8 of 9 plus log base 8 of 9, right? Well, that was kind of neato, right? It was so cool. I know that one of them is equal to 1.057. Okay, well, this one's going to be equal to 1.057. Oh, and guess what? So is this one. So I'm just going to add that number twice. So I have 1.057 plus 1.057, and that's going to equal, oh boy, 2.114. I had to math really fast. And that's your answer. That was it. Okay. Oh, the video's not done. I was like, what do I do now? Okay, let's look at this next one. Okay, we have log base 8 of 10, log base 8 of 6, and we need to find log base 8 of 1 over 6. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. There is a red herring here. We don't actually need this guy. Okay, and this is why. We could automatically separate this into log base 8 of 1 minus log base 8 of 6. Okay, now I told you guys like a couple videos ago, I don't know how many, so don't ask, that anytime this is 1, remember a whole point of a log is to find the exponent. So like this right here is to figure out, 8 to what power equals 1? Well, anytime it equals 1, my exponent is 0. Big fat whopping 0. So guess what this is? It's supposed to equal the exponent. Well, the exponent here is 0 because 8 to the 0 power is 1. So then I automatically know what this is right here. It's 0, right? And we're going to go minus log base 8 of 6. Well, this right here, no, come back. This right here is this. And that's going to equal something. Ask me what it is. I don't know because I haven't done it. 0 minus 0.862. Oh my gosh. I'm a smart one. Duh. Yeah, and that's it. Okay. Last one, and I'm going to do this one. I was going to make you guys do this one, but it's a little bit tricky. Okay, log base 8 of 11. So automatically, I know that I don't have 100 and it's not just 1. And so I need to break up 100 into 2 separate things. So this is, how do I undo this? So first I'm going to separate it like this. Log base 8 of 11, right? Because I know what that is. That's 1.153, right? Minus log base 8 of 100. Well, can I write 100 in terms of tens? I sure can. It's 10 times 10, right? But remember, we have to subtract all of it, and this is why it's tricky. We have this subtraction sign right here, so whatever I break this down into, I need to have parentheses and a minus sign right here. Okay, so I have log base 8 of 11. I'm going to change this 100 to 10 times 10. Okay, minus parentheses log base 8 of 10 plus, because remember when we multiply, we're going to add them together. Now I can replace or substitute, right, plug in all of those values. So instead of this, I'm going to put this down. Instead of this, I'm going to put this down. Instead of this, I'm going to put this down. Okay? So now I have, let's do a different color. Why not? Let's do green, you know? I have 1.153 minus 1.107 plus 1.107. And I'm going to type it exactly like that on my calculator. And if you don't, I guarantee you will get the wrong answer. Negative 1.061. And that's your answer. Okay, that's it. That's all that I have for logs so far. When I get back, we'll talk about solving and graphing, and then we'll be done with this unit. Hopefully that's helpful. Remember, you can watch these videos as many times as you need to. In order to understand it, you can ask those around of you for help as well. You're also more than welcome to research any other videos or look up anything else to help you understand further if my videos aren't good enough for you. Just teasing. But good luck.